Well, today I should be pretty much finishing my Infiniti before it needs to go to the paint shop. Today, I'm going to be installing this airbag, the horn, the fog lights, and the bumper cover. And then we need to go take it for a test drive, and hopefully everything works out well. So this is not really the proper way to do things, but yeah, we got to do one more step yet. So if you look at the Q50, the Infiniti Q50 right now, I have now attached a air train horn to the front of the Q50. Drilled a holes into the bumper support bar, screwed it in, and the oil cooler bracket has definitely helped me. And I put the air pump down here. Hopefully water won't do too much damage. I mean, it shouldn't, but who knows? I mean, it's gonna be covered by a bumper in the front, so it shouldn't get too wet. And yeah, now take a look at how it sounds. Now, other things I did is I went ahead and zip tied things that needed to be zip tied away. Now I just got to cut them off, and then we got to work on putting the bumper cover back on. But yeah, I had to zip tie a lot of the coolant lines into place because when I installed the oil cooler, which is this sucker right here, I removed a lot of brackets. So now I got this bumper cover over here to put on, and I guess a whole bunch of other little parts for the bumper cover. So I got her upside down, put the grills back in. One thing left to do is I got to screw in all these bolts right here for the main grill. It's all blacked out. Got the lights and the little grills for the fog lights inserted. I love that the fog lights actually have a hole so more airflow can come in, because I really need more airflow for my car to cool down the car as best as I can. Got to get bolts to screw this in, and after that it should be good to go. Just gonna reattach the bumper cover back on, and once we reattach the nice test driver one, that'll be okay. And then we could go take it to the paint shop, which I have to wait in line, hopefully not too long, and be ready, because my original plan then would be, gotta get this door, either this dent pulled out, or they're gonna have to put Bondo on it, and they're gonna paint my whole roof black and my trunk black as well. Okay, so I put the bumper cover back on, and these fog light things are actually turn signals. I was able to connect one. The other one, the connector broke, so we're gonna have to hot wire it, or basically it will go wire to wire and tie it up. But since we're gonna take off the bumper cover when we're gonna send it to the paint shop, because it'll be easier for him to paint the bumper cover so he won't overspray the carbon fiber parts, we didn't connect the left turn signal yet, and temporarily for now put zip ties to hold everything together. Well, just gave her a nice bath, a nice shower. Got all the dirt off of her so you can actually see what needs to be done. So basically, need to paint the bumper cover. Got to pull this dent out, I think, or something, or have them paint whatever is needed. Once it's out of paint, just got to keep taking it to car washes and stuff. But yeah, once she's done, I got to take her to a muffler shop, get the muffler ready. And also this right here, need to finish screwing that up with the bolt. I still got to put the plastic on the bottom of over the wheels. Got to also put plastic underneath the engine bay, so a whole bunch of work yet on that. A lot of Gotta still clean this around the door edges and clean the interior up very well. Still a lot of interior modification parts. Even when I'm done modifying her, there's still some parts I want to add on her later on. But so far she runs good, as you saw in the video. One thing I'm still not 100% sure on is, maybe because I ran her hard, you could smell heat coming from the engine. I'm not familiar with Infiniti Q50s, but you could definitely smell heat. I'm pretty sure just because it's running a lot of boost and stuff. But no check engine light, not overheating. Oh, I also forgot, the reason why you heard the beeps in my video is simply for the fact that I'm going to show you what I need to fix. This brake on the pedal is loose, and it needs a new cable to be installed. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 turn right. Driving attempt on the 6 Series.